well and having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I feel like I look a little bit like a lumberjack in this top. I'm not vibing with it, or a dad. Not my best work, but we're gonna go with it because it is Tuesday evening. You're watching this tomorrow and I'm tired. I need a bath, do you know what I mean? Your girl's been at work all day, so we're going to whiz through this. Today, we are going to be unboxing the LUSH, what am I saying? The LUSH subscription box for February. Here she is. I have not had any spoilers, which I am so impressed with. I live on Instagram, so it is very hard for me to not spoil these, but for some reason I do quite well. So I haven't seen any spoilers. It smells absolutely delish. We're gonna dive right in. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. Yet again, I didn't bring a bin bag. I feel like I'm never gonna remember to bring a bin bag when it comes to LUSH unboxings. I think that is just how I am. I will always forget. So here we are. Okay, let's dig in. Where do I start? I have no idea where to start, so I'm gonna go with a bottle lid because that seems to be like the less messy option. So we have the Keep It Fluffy kitchen exclusive shower gel. Draw the shower curtain and disappear into a sweet, sultry ylang ylang jasmine and vanilla haze. This one has lemongrass infusion, jasmine flower infusion, fine sea salt, rose absolute, jasmine absolute, lemongrass oil, ylang ylang oil, vanilla absolute. Let's give it a smell. When I first saw this, I thought this was going to be Snow Fairy because it looks like Snow Fairy. There's never been, well I was about to say there's never been another pink shower gel. That's a lie because Prince Charming was pink, but I've never seen another shower gel like this. Let's give it a smell. I'm so excited. Let's go. This has a very subtle smell, but it does smell good. It is just a very subtle floral fragrance, but I do like it. Yum. I mean, there's nothing really LUSH have done that I despise, I was about to say, but that is true because Aquamarina. Ooh. But this smells really good. It's very subtle, very light, floral, kind of like what you'd give your nan, like something light floral. Slightly more of a feminine smell, I would say. Although how can a smell be feminine? I don't really know. But you know what I mean though? What would be classed as a feminine smell? That's what this smells like. But it smells really good though. Yeah, I love that. And mine was made by John. So thank you, John. Great shower gel. So the next item in the box, I'm gonna have to look at my cheat sheet because I don't know the ingredients and I don't know what it's called. This is the Cherry-ish body scrub, which is literally melting in my fingers. It's gonna sound really strange, but I was born in the 90s. I need to put that down because it's literally melting in my fingertips. But as you can see, very oily. But imagine you're 7 years old, you've just gone to Collis Accessories for the first time and you've just bought your very first makeup situation. That is what that smells like. Pure kids makeup smell. I love that though. Very nostalgic. That smells really good. Okay, ingredients wise, it has fine sea salt, cocoa butter, muru butter, shea butter, ground cherry stones, that's really interesting, dried cherries, white chocolate, cocoa absolute, almond essential oil, coconut oil, and fresh apple pulp. That sounds really exciting. I love that. It smells delish. Yummy. Okay, 2 out of 2. Absolutely amazing. Let's keep digging. Oh, okay, this product I have definitely had before and I've got it all over me. So this is the next product. I have definitely tried this before. This is the Heart of Enlightened Expectation. I think this was released for a Valentine's Day collection a few years ago. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think we have had this before or something so similar that I'm getting confused, but I'm pretty sure I have had this. Ingredients wise, this one has bergamot oil, geranium oil, ylang ylang oil, jasmine absolute, and rose absolute. This smells really good. Very not in your face smell. Floral, sweet. In my head I'm thinking citrus because of the colour, but it's not overly citrusy. It has got like a foodie, citrusy kind of vibe to it, but it smells really good. But yeah, fruity, if it can be fruity, fresh, floral. Really lovely. I would presume that this is, yeah, this is like a bath oil on the top, and this is a bubble bar. Did I say that? I didn't, did I? This is a bubble bar. That smells incredible. Wow. Okay, I love that. I obviously forgot to say at the start as well, this is going to be classed as their Valentine's Day box, so that is why there's a lot of Valentine's Day themed things in here. Cannot get my words out. Should have said that at the start. Kind of forgot. But anyway, next item. Ooh, okay. The next item is a bath bomb. Oh my goodness, this is actually so cute. I love it. This is the X Factor bath bomb, and he looks like a little gingerbread man. So cute. And ingredients wise, it actually has no ingredients in really, which is very strange. This has perfume, ylang ylang oil, water, synthetic musk, and colorants. Can't get my words out, but this is what it looks like. No. Smells like something we've had before, for sure. Basic. Just kind of smells like what bicarbonate of soda smells like. Does that make sense? Yeah, it's very plain. I kind of expected more. I don't know. I feel like I would want this to smell like a blue raspberry slushie. Do you know what I mean? But it doesn't. It just smells kind of like bicarbonate of soda. Very cute. Love the look of it. The smell's a bit boring. Kind of expected a bit more, but still. I'm not going to judge till I've used it. It could be absolutely phenomenal in the water. And now moving on to what I think is the last item in the box, and that is, again, what I think is the 5th and final perfume from the box of perfumes. Mine are actually over there, and it's further than an arm's reach, and I don't want to get up and then I'll have to refocus my camera. Pure laziness. Don't come for me. It's about 7 o'clock on Tuesday. And I still need to have a bath and have dinner and edit this video for tomorrow, so I'm not going to do that. But anyway, opening this one, let's see. I hope it's something yummy. I hope it's something foodie. That's kind of what I want. But we will see. For Valentine's Day, I feel like cupcakey vibes, you know, that would be cute. Let's open it. What do we have? Oh, okay. This is the Honey I Washed the Kids perfume. I love this little series that they've done in the boxes. I think it's such a nice touch. I'm gonna have to spray it to give it a smell. Oh, yeah. That is spot on. I love that. Oh, it smells a little bit different, you know. Like it's spot on straight away, and it settles to a more less foodie, more perfumey smell. I really like it though. That is absolutely delish, and I love these little perfumes. I honestly, these are great. I really, really like them. I wish that they would do more of these. Not necessarily every single month, but maybe do like one a year, like a little 5 series, one a year. Oh, delicious. 10 out of 10 Lush. Good job. So that is everything for the Lush subscription box for February. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. I would have to say that my least favourite item was definitely the bath bomb, only because of the lack of fragrance, but I am excited to use it nonetheless. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Obviously, don't forget to let me know down below in the comments your favourite or least favourite item, because I'd love to know. Also, don't forget to subscribe because it makes me incredibly, incredibly happy, and we are on our way to 9.8 thousand, so I can't wait for that. And yeah, I hope you guys have a fantastic day. I love you guys so much, and I will see you very soon. Bye guys!